Yeah. Question. As ketoians, we're no longer able to have Chinese takeout. Well, isn't that cute? But it's wrong! Orange chicken is still possible and very easy to make. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, I'd like to say thank you bunches to all of my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the love, for the support, for everything. Thank you bunches, honestly. And if you're not subscribed, first of all, how very dare you? And lastly, go ahead and subscribe. Your taste buds and your stomach will be happy you did. Now, I'm a ketoan, but orange chicken is still my favorite item on the takeout menu. Now, I was able, with a few tweaks, to reproduce a low-carb version. However, for my viewers who aren't ketoans, you can always click here for the original recipe. Ketoans, don't you dare click that link. Now, I've already prepped some chicken breast by cutting it into chunks, and then I breaded it in vital wheat gluten, and I'm just finishing frying this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and let those drain on a wide rack, and we're gonna set that aside. Now for the orange chicken sauce, we need to create an orange juice substitute. And to do that, we're going to zest one medium orange, and we want quite a lot of zest because we want this to have like a very strong orange flavor. All right, and here I have about 1 cup of warm water, and to this water, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of orange extract, 1 tablespoon of our sweetener, and you can use a sweetener of your choice, and our orange zest. And we're just gonna give that a good mix. Now we're just gonna go ahead and set that aside. Now, in a pan, we're going to heat a tablespoon of oil. Once it's nice and heated, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, about a teaspoon of fresh ginger, minced, and about 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic, also minced. We're gonna saute this for about a minute. Then to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our sweetener, and I'm using stevia, of course. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of a brown sugar substitute. Now for this one, I'm using Supin, which you can find on Amazon. My mom turned me onto this, and I love it because it looks like regular brown sugar, and the flavor is delicious. So I'll post a link for that in my description box below. Now, once the sugar is melted and liquefied, to this we're going to add 1/4 cup of our orange water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of our liquid aminos. We're just gonna go ahead and give that a good mix, and we're gonna cook this until it's boiling. Then once it starts boiling, we're going to slowly sprinkle in about a 1/2 teaspoon of xantham gum. We're stirring constantly until it thickens up. And once it's thickened up, kind of like this, then we're gonna add our chicken pieces back in, and we're gonna stir until they're coated in the sauce. And then you just drizzle this with a little bit of sesame oil, and you're done. Serve this with cauliflower rice, sprinkle on some sesame seeds, and you have keto-style takeout deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below what your favorite item on the takeout menu is, as well as if you're gonna give this orange chicken recipe a try. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you a bunch for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.